Does your steering wheel shake like this on some occasions? Quickly check your tires. You will be surprised why this happens. This is the old used tire. They still look good from your eyes perspective. But what your eyes cannot see is the wear it has. This is the new tires I bought for my truck. From this angle, it's hard to see why the tires are the problem. Once you remove the tires, you can see the wear more clearly. The left side thread lines are longer than the right side thread lines. These lines indicate how your tires are wearing out. As you can see, the right side thread lines are wearing out more because you see less of the lines. The other side of the tire was wearing out the same way on one side. The reason why this is happening is because when I add weight to my truck's bed, my front end lifts up a little bit. So I need higher rear leaf springs or airbags that can level my truck higher on the rear. This is how my new tires look once they were installed. You also need to get your tires balanced. The tire shop added this amount of weight onto the front passenger rim. This is the amount of weight they added onto the driver's side rim as well. Finally, once they were installed, I took my truck for a ride. It does not shake anymore, but it needs an alignment. I can feel the steering wheel pull to the right. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. I will leave the link to these tires on the description below to buy them. These are the tires I bought. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more car insights.